never come to our defense unless you have the cash to play. Gotta lose over someone to win. I guess this just is in our day. But when we rise up, know this levee won't just bend. We'll do no good to kneel and pray. Come what may, oh Lord, watch out. The monster's on the way. No tomorrow. Oh, we're here today. We'll take our lives back, or they'll be hell to pay. Yeah. The little lie, boy, know this might just be your end. Take a look at where you lay. Wipe that smile away. No, you never were my friend. It never felt right anyway. Come what may, oh Lord, watch out. The monster's on the way. There's no tomorrow, so we're here today. We'll take our...
Yeah, here we go. So look at this little pocket here next to the windshield washer fluid. Look at this. Look at this. It's an entire sub pocket here, an entire hidden nest inside of the frame. Oh God. Oh, it just keeps coming. Oh, there's tarp material, there's bags. Whoa, this is all just coming out of the side of the car here. Look at this. Now that is a lot of junk.
back, or there'll be hell to pay. Yeah.
Alright, so today I'm going to pull the plugs and put Marvel Mystery Oil into the spark plug hole down to the pistons.
The monster's on the way. No tomorrow. Oh, we're here today. We'll take our lives back, and there'll be hell to pay. Yeah.
Okay, it's about as clean as it's going to get. I'm going to go ahead and remove the spark plugs. I'm going to use my 3/8 inch ratchet with an extension, and I'm using the 13/16 spark plug socket with the rubber insert so it can pull the socket or the spark plug out of there. So I'm going to keep track of which one's which. Again, I'm going to use the nomenclature. This is number 1, 2, 3, and 4.
You were who you used to be, instead of the shell that stands in fun of me? Will you live your life like you love your news? Oh, there's been some time waiting for your truths. Oh, 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 oh. Time will only tell if you run amok. If I was a betting man, I bet you'd be out of luck now, son. But you live your life like you love that news. Oh, there's been some time waiting for those truths. Oh, 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 oh. Disrespecting men just for fun. Top flies look like your time has come. Sacrifice on bad advice. Now it looks like karma has a bad one. Oh, now I know what's right. You showed me what's wrong. This is what you get for stringing me along now, son. But you live your life like you love that news. Oh, oh, there's been some time waiting for your truths. Oh, 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 oh.
So always turn clockwise. You ready?
Yep,
You sure?
I'm ready.
That was like butter.
No, move it some more.
Oh, it's easy. Easy peasy.
I like the sound of grinding leaves.
That's all you're like, no, keep at it. I like the soothing.
Yeah. Yeah. I like the crunching cornflakes in the morning sound.
Uh-huh. And those pistons are going up and down. Yep. They're doing their thing. And it's smooth.
And then the question would be,
It's actually very easy to crank. Oh, sorry. It slipped off. Ready?
uh-huh.
It's actually like butter. You want to try it?
No, but I want to see if I can see.
Okay. See deep enough to... We need-
I see it.
You do?
That's moving.
Cool. I don't hear any grinding. I don't hear anything but leaves rattling around. I think that's the alternator. Yeah, alternator.
Go ahead, keep going.
Keep going?
Uh-huh.
I think we've already turned it one whole.
Yeah, I know, but I'm watching the light. Yeah.
I think
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it moving in there.
2 complete rotations of the crank is 1 entire cycle of intake, explosion, exhaust. You know, the 4 parts of the cycle. The piston has to go
Yes.
up and down twice
Yes.
to do 1 complete
Yes.
cycle. So,
Yeah.
and I think we turned it enough to do 2 full rotations.
So what's it called? It's suck something, bang, blow.
Right, right. Intake,
It's
combustion,
suck, compress, bang,
compress.
blow.
Yes, yes. Intake, compression, ignition, exhaust.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah. Yeah. So the dirty guy version is Suck, compress, bang,
Yeah.
blow. Although I think there's a different word to use for compress. But yeah, suck, compress, bang, blow.
Are you hearing that, Mr. Ferrari, my instructor? My instructor's name is Mr. Ferrari. That is cool, man.
I think.
You wanna feel the world differently. There's nothing wrong with that. Suffering, all it means is that you will be just an artifact. Sit at home all alone, wonder what can be. Take it all in stride. I always knew if I pushed you, all would see.
All right, this is it. Will it crank?
No.
Look at the crank. Look, watch, do it again.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Nice.
And nothing's happening because there's no spark plugs.
Yeah.
So any compressed air is going right out the side of the block. There's holes in the
There's
side
no
of the spark
spark
plugs.
plug.
Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't start
Yeah.
if we wanted it to right now.
No.
But we could probably run it on a little tanky of gas, like
We could do your compression test.
Okay. Isn't that cool? You happy?
I'm sorry, I don't have an expression right now.
My time. Oh, maybe I can take this one on my own. Maybe I can take this one on my own. Sitting still never meant that much.
Yeah.
180.
180. That's pretty good.
I think so.
Sounds good.
And then hit that button on the side before you take it off, because otherwise you got a lot of compressed air in there.
Nice. 180. All right.
I turned it off.
Never able to just take it easy. Ain't got the time for that. Will it burn as he yearns for something big, or will he shine? While you all talk, I'm plotting my next move. This'll be my time.
45.